Welcome viewers in today's tutorial video on SQL, where we will explore the key differences between union all and union operator, both used for combining query results. The union operator in SQL is used to combine the result set of two or more select queries into a single result set, removing duplicate rows. It's often used to merge data from different tables or sources into a unified result set. While the union all operator in SQL is used to combine the result set of two or more select queries into a single result set, adding both the duplicate rows. It is often also used to merge different table or sources into a unified result set. So the key difference is that the union all combine both duplicates into a single set, while the union remove all the duplicates in the set of table that it is combining. When it comes to performance consideration, the union all require additional processing to remove duplicates, which may be slower, while the union all is preferred for faster execution. So in the process of using union and union all is based on your requirements. Are you looking for a faster execution, or you're looking for a clean unification without duplicate? That comes the choice of union and union all.
Sorry for intruding. If you're enjoying my content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. It really helps me out and allows me to create more videos for you. Thank you so much for your support.
So in order to practice the difference between union and union all operator, we need to create two tables. So let's create our table. So I'm going to copy this. Let me copy. I'm going to copy these queries. So let me copy I have already written my queries. So let me run those queries. So in this query, we're going to create a table called employees. So let's run our query. We have successfully created our employees table. So now let's insert these 4 rows into the table we just created. So let's insert them. Let's run this query. So we've inserted these 4 rows, which has employees ID, first name, last name, and department ID and department. So let's create our second table, which name is more employees. So now we've created our second table. So now let's insert these rows, these data sets into it. So now let's check. Let's view the table we just created. Let's view the table. So select off employees. So we can see that we have four rows here, which is we have John, Jane, Michael, and Sarah. So now let's check our more employees table. Select on more employees. So let's run our table. You can see that we have 4 data sets here, and you can see that we have another John, and another Sarah with the same department and the same employment ID, which is a duplicate. So now let's practice the union. So I'll select all. So for me to practice, so now let me just open this place, and we're going to use union, which remove all the duplicates. So let's run our union operator to combine these two tables together without the duplicates. So you can see now, initially both of them are 8 tables, but here you can only see 6 tables. You can see that the John Doe is 1, and the Sarah Wilson 2 is just 1 row. So you can see that it removes all the duplicates from the other more table. So now let's practice union all. The union all combine 2 tables or sources with the duplicates. So let's practice it. You can see here we have 8 tables. You can see that here we have John Doe, and we have another John Doe, and you can see we have Sarah Wilson, and we have another Sarah Wilson here. So it combined both the duplicate. This is it, guys. This is the difference between union and union all operator. Thank you for watching, and keep learning. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube video, kindly do so. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you, and God bless you.